My name is Malcolm Walters. I'm the Managing Director of Cwm Engineering Limited. We are a subcon precision engineering company based in South Wales, in Crosshands. Specialised in small, medium batch work and basically anything that comes through the door. So we can manufacture from a wide range of materials, anything from plastics to Inconels, stainless steels, aluminiums, super alloys. It literally varies by customer and obviously by the customer base. So Oemeta came to us offering a solution to our cooling issues. They offered to do a free trial and we were more than happy to take them up on the offer to see what solution they could provide.
Well, initially we met with Malcolm and with Andrew. They were experiencing a few issues on the shop floor, the main one being the smell. They were having issues with the sump life. It was going off a lot quicker than it should have been, sort of within 3 months. Tool life probably wasn't what it should have been. Machines were quite oily and quite dirty.
Yeah, so when Oemeta came in, they checked all the machines, all the different coolant levels, the different pH levels and everything associated with that. Gave us the results, which we were quite surprised at, to be honest, and promised to make the coolant a much better system.
The next step was to take a closer look at the competitors' products. So to do that, we took a concentrate sample and we ran it through our labs in Germany. They ran industry standard testing on it, which basically gave us a list of results which showed us how the product performed. Then we spoke again with Malcolm and Andrew and we found out what was important to them, the performance improvements they wanted to see, and then we went away and looked at what products we had in our own portfolio. So when we got the results, we spoke to Malcolm and Andrew and they agreed that they needed a change. So we ran a trial, 3 to 6 months, which is basically just to prove ourselves and prove our product, prove our support. So to make the changeover work, we have to come back to the shop floor. What we do is we take samples from each of the machines and we run them through our labs again and we produce what we call a condition report. What this shows us are the conditions basically of inside the machines at the minute. So most of our products are compatible with our competitors, so it's not a case of disposing of your previous coolant and paying the wastage. It's a case of we can top up our products over your previous suppliers. I think the guys here seem really happy with the product. They've noticed an increase in tool life, they've noticed the machines are a lot cleaner, the sump life has been, in some cases, doubled, tripled. So as a company, we pride ourselves a lot on our aftercare. We have a dedicated team of engineers who will come to site every 4 weeks and they'll test your pH, your concentration and do your dip slide tests for you as well, test for microbiology.
Yes, the staff are much happier using this coolant. Obviously, it doesn't go off like the previous coolant, so there's no smell associated. But also, because of the wide range of materials that we use, we don't need to change coolants for different materials. It covers such a wide spectrum of different materials. It just works for us. It works as a subcontracting machine shop.
Yeah, Cwm Engineering are really happy with what we've done on the shop floor. But ultimately, Oemeta have over 300 different products, which suits a range of different shop floors. So there's something for everyone.